If you want to change the slow motion speed on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first of all, open up your camera application. Now find your More icon, find your slow motion mode, tap on it. And here at the top right corner, locate your FHD icon. Here it is. So our FPS controls our slow motion speed. So on 240 FPS, we have 1/8 of speed slow motion, and if we're gonna choose 120, we're gonna have 1/4 speed slow motion. So let's try both of them. And now let's open up our 240 FPS. All right, now if we're gonna open up our gallery and if we're gonna try both of the videos, this is in 240 FPS. So this is the speed of our slow motion, and here is in 120 FPS. As you see, it's much faster. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.